Let's try and develop a simple ATM machine over here. You can save this into another file. Let me create another file over here and call it what? Rock, paper, no, scissors. Let's put underscores between them. Whatever. Just do like that dot py. Come over here, copy it. You can save it here. You can play with your friends or copy these variables over here. So you can just have fun with this program. This is just a simple game. I actually choose for the computer actually, but there's a way you can make the computer to choose randomly. That will be a topic for the future, okay? So we are going to be using the random module in the future, and we'll make the computer to choose randomly by itself. For now, you can simply just put an input statement here, just an input keyword over here. You can input anything you want for the computer, and then you impute yours. It's just that simple. So you can save your file over here. Let's just do one more code, just one more problem. Let's just solve one little more problem. Now, the problem we are going to solve now is going to be the bank ATM problem. Let's say you have an ATM, okay? Let's say you visit the bank or any ATM around, and let's say you have a balance of $5,000. Or let's say, I don't know, 500,000 naira if you're Nigerian, and you want to withdraw an amount. Now, how does ATM work? If you want to withdraw all the funds, okay, if you have 5,000 naira or dollar in your account, I want to withdraw 5,000. You can withdraw the entire amount and your account will be empty. And if you withdraw anything less than or equal to 5,000, it's okay, it will be withdrawn. But if, however, you withdraw above 5,000 naira, let's use dollar, $5,000, is going to return an error. It's going to say insufficient balance. But let's try and create that. Let's say print. As a matter of fact, for that, let's create a new folder for it. Let's call it ATM.py. Let's save it as a .py. I know it's okay to leave this .py as a capital, as an uppercase, but I just don't feel it's right. Save it like that. Come over here, print something to the screen. ATM, right? Now let's print something like welcome user. Okay, let's say welcome user. Now you come down here. Let's say we want to check balance. Let's say we want to check balance first of all. Let's write our balance plus what? 5,000. All right. Withdraw equals to integer. Okay, for this, since you are going to withdraw money, let's use float. Since we are dealing with currency, the best type to use is float. And then you pass in your input keyword, and then you can say enter the amount you you like to withdraw. Simple. Now let's start. If the withdrawal is greater than the balance, you print insufficient fund. Else, if the withdrawal is less than or equal to the balance. So now if the withdrawal is greater than the balance, that means that the other option should be that it's less than or equal to. Now if the withdrawal is less than the balance, that means the other option would be greater than or equal to. So whenever you are dealing with conditions, if you start your if block with less than, the other option of the else would be what? Greater than or equal to. Now, if you start your if block with greater than, the other option would be what? Less than or equal to. Let me explain. If, okay, the withdrawal, let's say, if the withdrawal is greater than balance, right? You should go ahead and print insufficient balance. Else, print withdraw success. Now we want to apply this withdrawal here. We don't just want to print this out. So what we'll do here is we are going to uh, set a new value to our own balance. The new value will be the balance, okay, minus, okay, the withdrawal. And then it should now print our existing balance. It will now print, let's use our string formatting, and then we call this your balance is, then we put balance. I think this should come after the withdrawal successful. Yeah. So if you're wondering how I did this, you just click the alt keyword and the down arrow or the up arrow. Just shift it around. That simple. Now you save. Now let's run our code quickly. Just run this. Okay. Now ATM app, welcome user. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. I don't like the way this looks like this. Let's quickly go back and make some changes over here. I'd like it with a space. Right. Save it. Then you run it. Welcome user. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. So let's say 400. Click enter. Withdraw successful. Your balance is 4,600. Let's uh let's format something here. Let's add a dollar sign. Save it, run it. I want you like to withdraw. Let's say 1,000. As you can see, with the dollar sign, withdraw successful. Your balance is $4,000. Let's try putting 5,000 over here. Sorry, 5,000. The balance is $0. Let's try putting 5,001. Insufficient balance. As you can see, we just successfully developed our ATM software. Let's try adding some things. Let's see, what are we going to add? Should we give an option to withdraw or check balance? Right? Let's create another condition. Let's say balance. Let's say check equals to inputs would house sort of would you like to check balance? If balance check equals yes, come over here and say y/n print balance, right? Else as. Let's run this. You like to check balance? Yes. Why not? It's an amount you like to withdraw. So what this pass means is that if you want to check balance, it will print this. Otherwise, it won't do anything. That's what this pass actually means. So now let's see what can we add to this software. Balance check is equal to this. You can't do much with this software if you don't know how to create functions. And for that, you should watch the next tutorial. This is just a beginner introduction to Python. Okay, we have the intermediate course where we talk about loops, the while loops, the for loops. We talk about the functions. We talk about the lists. We talk about the tuples. We talk about the dictionaries. Probably talk about sets too. Yeah, we'll talk about sets for the next tutorial. And yeah, I think that's it for this tutorial. You just created an ATM app. You can play around with this software over here, like check balance. Yes, $5,000. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. 100. Withdraw successful. Your balance is $4,600. So this is it for this beginner tutorial. Make sure to watch the next tutorial